guys, today I'm going to be having a movie night with popcorn and a special guest, Alex. He's my brother, and the book is Cooking Classes. And so Alex is going to go ahead and put 3 tablespoons of popcorn kernels into the paper bag. Oh yeah, the ingredients, here's what you will be needing. 3 tablespoons of popcorn kernels, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Special equipment is a paper one. How much was that, Alex? What? How much was that, Mom?
3 tablespoons.
3.
Also.
Okay, so now we're going to fold it up really tight. And we're going to go ahead and put it on the microwave for 3 minutes.
For 3,100 minutes.
It's really long, but okay. And then I already put 3 minutes in there, right there. So I'm gonna press the start. Once the popcorn stops, like popping, you're going to wanna take it out before the 3 minutes is up if it stops popping, because if you keep it popping, it's gonna burn. It's gonna get burnt. So then, so there's popcorn in there, Yeah. So so Alex, you're gonna go ahead and drizzle the butter onto the popcorn. Your melted butter on the popcorn. And then after that, you're going to take a 1/4 cup, or teaspoon of salt, and then pour it in. That was kind of a lot, but it's okay. And then
It's gonna be good.
yeah. And then, oh yeah, if you don't wait, okay.
Then we shake it up.
Oh yeah. Now, Alex, you want to shake it up or do you want me to do it? I'm going to shake it up. Then all the things mix. Oh my god, there's like butter on there. No. Okay, so after that, oh yeah, so these are all the flavors that you can do. So the sage cheese is like drizzle. So if you're doing any of the other flavors, we're doing regular, so we're not gonna add any flavors. But if you wanna have like some flavors come, so the sage cheese is drizzle 1 teaspoon olive oil over the popcorn. Add 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese and 1/4 teaspoon salt. So there's the pizza popcorn, the sugar and spice taco popcorn, and the one I just read. Okay, so now that's
I'm gonna try it.
All right, so now we're gonna taste it. Oh, it's actually way better than movie theater.
What about butter in it?
Yeah, pour the butter in. Remember?
I don't taste the butter.
So, thanks for watching. Avery Bakes, and I'll see you
We're
next
gonna have
time.